Area in Florida was hit harder than Broward County, our neighbors to the south. In Plantation, take a look at this. An EF2 tornado touchdown with winds of 111 miles per hour. As you can see, the twister left behind a massive trail of debris. Angela Rozier joins us live from the middle of the mess that was left behind there. Angela.
That's right. Everywhere you look here inside this mobile home park in Plantation, you see damage. Behind me, a trailer home that is completely damaged. Now, folks here say they're just thankful, though, no one was injured.
About 9:45, it's like a train came through.
Susanna Albanese was asleep when the storm hit.
And I ran, I fell on my dining room. I was calling my husband, what's going on, what's going on? And he says the front of the house was shaking completely.
Neighbor Wally Fernandez was also sleeping when the storm barreled past his window.
It felt like a earthquake too. My daughter started running into my bedroom saying, "Poppy, Poppy, it's an earthquake." And when we came out, we saw all this destruction.
Today, they're getting a closer view of the damage.
All this was gone, and I go, "What happened?" I thought it was just a strong wind.
Officials with the National Weather Service believe winds reached speeds of more than 112 miles per hour, ripping up trees, tossing metal around like rag dolls, and spreading debris throughout the entire mobile home park.
10 feet, 12 feet.
This mobile home was completely destroyed. Evelyn Heron lives next door.
I was fortunate. My neighbor wasn't.
She says her neighbors weren't at home. They're out of town. But she says she slept through the whole thing until she heard a loud bang.
If it wasn't because a 4x4 penetrated through the front door and went into the house and caused a commotion as I was walking by, I just thought it was rain. I just thought it was hard rain out there.
Tonight, she plans to keep her old life preserver around for luck.
It's going to hang right here. We survived. So we're the new Titanic. That's what I have to say.
The Titanic, that's a new name for her mobile home park. Now, American Red Cross officials, they were out here earlier today checking to see if any of the residents needed their services. They did find one family that they had to help out here. Now, coming up at 6, I'll tell you what some of the folks here in this mobile home say needs to happen so they get a warning next time. Reporting live in Plantation, Angela Rozier, WPBF 25 News.